Hello guys, we might have opportunity on the market on US500. I want to show you because probably we are a few minutes away from the entry to the position. Maybe 2-3 minutes, we will see. This is 5 minutes time frame, nearly 20 past 4 in the afternoon. We had nice bullish impulse and then we had some kind of range over here. And after that, we had a breakout. We got indicator here as well, break resistance, and we got breakout. We had indicator saying that we're gonna go bullish. That what happened actually, but basically I was looking for the retest of this area. So I want to use this first imbalance and then another imbalance right here. I want to set my position around 50%, maybe a little bit higher of this imbalance to go up. You can see we are slowly coming back down, and let me just set the order. Let's say 5 size of the position. I'm gonna go for new order, pending order, and I'm gonna set it, like I said, 50, maybe a little bit more higher, because sometimes they're not getting so low. You can see we might go straight up, so we're gonna go for buy limit in this area, and also I will set stop loss and take profit straight away. So my stop loss right here for 1%, and I will show you to this area right here. We got nice volume area right here in this place. Also we got some imbalance, so I want to get to somewhere to this area. It's around, let's say, from not too far. We should catch that move. Look, if we're gonna get there, we're gonna have more than 3% of take profit, 3.5. That's okay, we can leave that, because I'm pretty sure we might have a chance to get there, but after 1-to-1 move, probably I will set break even or take half of my take profit and leave the rest. Okay, so I'm gonna go safe, and we need to wait, guys. The only thing what can happen now is that the price will go straight up without us. That's the worst case. This is quite nice plan, so we're gonna go up hopefully, and I will keep you updated, guys. I will let you know when I open the position. Quick update about our trade on US500. We didn't get full take profit, but we got profit of $1,870 around. So 2 positions. On the halfway to my take profit, I closed the position, and the rest, like I said, didn't get to full take profit, but still we got more than $1,800 in profit. If you want to learn how to pass funded account, join our upcoming webinar. Just click the link below.